In the 1950s, when people discovered the transistor, the idea of integrated circuits revolutionized how we deal with information. And many people think now, in this century, quantum technologies are the parallel. People are realizing you can use the quantum properties of nature to build a new paradigm for information processing. This new type of technology can outperform classical computing by orders of magnitude. To build this technology requires a workforce of quantum engineers. The Institute for Molecular Engineering and the University of Chicago play a special role, because not only will we train students differently, and do we bring in all these disciplines into a single organization, but we have the advantage of working with 2 national laboratories. We're at the beginning stages. It's an exciting time to be in this field. It's just launching. It's dangerous to predict where it will go and what the biggest impact will be. It might be taking magnetic resonance imaging to the level of a single molecule. It might be encryption. It might be computing. And I think the most exciting thing is we don't actually know.